What's up? Welcome to this evening's live stream. I'm him. It's Halloween, and I didn't just get back from walking Roscoe. That was like 30 minutes ago. But happy Halloween if you celebrate it. If you don't, then it's the end of October. 2 more months to go. One more Apple product to be updated before I'm off of this M1. Get my lights in order. Anyways, I don't know what I'm up to. I'm up to a lot of things. I'm struggling. So yeah, welcome to the struggle. Feel free to say words to try to assist me out of this struggle session that you're about to endure with me. Or not. It's cool too. It's cool too. And I have Chat GPT. It has, I mean, sometimes it's helpful, most times it's not, unfortunately. I'm gonna switch headphones. I got my other headphones so it doesn't sound like I'm talking in my head. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it, but I am used to open back headphones for most things, especially when I'm talking. So it's really weird when I don't know. It's weird. I can't even explain it. Got a few things going on over here. Let me see if I can try to organize it in some way that half makes sense. All right, Xcode is lucky I don't know how to use it. Oh my gosh. All right, so I got the server running, and the server is just this thing right here. I'm just jumping into it. Actually, this is the server right here. I heard a chat thing. What's up, Gabriel? Wait, hold on. Gabriel, are you in Tunisia? Are you in Tunisia by any chance? Or Algeria? Or in that region, Morocco or Egypt? Just curious. All right, so where is my... All right, so here we go. Got this other thing. And this is for making requests to this server. And we got this app here, which is also making requests to the server. No, that's not you. All right, well then, never mind. I was gonna say, been a minute, but I guess it hasn't been a minute. What's up? Welcome to the stream. All right, I gotta start the app up. Let's do that. There's a bunch of things wrong with this, and I don't even know where to begin. For one, wait. No set app ID. Wait, I thought I got rid of that by just hard coding it. I guess I didn't. Yeah, we're about to hard code that. Yeah, no more of this. Just gonna put it in a raw string like that somehow. There is a file that has that. Let's debug something. Nope. That. Just gonna hard code it. All right, so that will get rid of that issue for now. All right, cool. There's one issue down. It's a minor one. It's just, I just did it to make me feel like I've done something useful. I haven't actually done anything useful. We're gonna write a message and we'll say user state change. I can search for that. It's probably not a good log name, but I don't. Yeah. We'll deal with it. Okay, so that part is fine. Let's. I thought this was failing. All right, I get the thing. Invalid with JWT. I don't know if I'm returning that anywhere. Or not, I don't know if I'm writing that anywhere. Nah, I sold all of my vehicles. I did ayahuasca in Peru, and something. I don't know. I had a conversation with something, and it told me some things, and I saw a fork. It's either I keep going down one path, or I keep going down, or I go down the other path. So I had to choose one or the other. So I sold all my shit for the most part. But yeah, I've had a lot of them. My first one, like my introduction to the brand, was the 2018 Macan Turbo, and it was fairly well spec'd. And I remember going to the dealership with like my spec in hand for a GT3. This was the 991.2 GT3 when it was just coming out, or I guess at a year or so after it had came out. Yeah, they laughed at me, bro. They were like, "You're not getting this." I thought I was, man. I was like, man, I had everything in hand. Like it was just gonna be a cash transaction. Here's your money. Give me my car. Nah. They're like, nah, you had to work your way up. So I did that. So when I went to the dealership, I went in a 2017, maybe, Mercedes AMG C63S Coupe. And I left in a Macan SUV. That should tell you something. I don't have a car. I have an EV. There's no cars over here, just EVs. Ugh. I hate it. But you know, it's part of the the thing that it told me. So, and you know what? I haven't died. You know, I used to be like, oh, I need this. I can't live without that. And it's been interesting. I'm still somehow here, and I don't have the things that I was like, oh, I can't live without. So it's been good for me. I actually don't really have a strong urge to acquire a vehicle anymore. It's kind of weird. Like, I don't even like most things. Nah, I'm good. I'll leave you to that Taycan. Alright. So we're gonna try to log in. This is where it was failing. Is it still? Yeah, I'm still getting this 403. Alright. Shit. Oh, fuck. I forgot. Let me... Ah, shit. Excuse me. Let me move this to another monitor. Alright. There should be an app somewhere. One of the... Oh, I found it. One of these tabs. Okay. Now I just got to figure out which app am I even using. This is 3B, so it's not that app. Let me just copy it. Require authentication for API notifications. Nah, we're good. All right, token verification. Yeah, this is, this one is weird. thought that there was like a way to collect metrics or something. I guess that's not the case. Something is causing a bunch of like re-renderings to happen. I'm pretty sure it's because of me not understanding how SwiftUI works. All right, so my app has a state object I'm passing to the environment. This is app state. So anytime I get app state, that should be as a environment object, I would assume. Or not. See, I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, never mind. I forgot that I mark it as verified no matter what. I almost got somewhat excited and was like, oh, it worked. So this is the log that I need, and it looks like it just repeats from here. Yeah, it just gets stuck in a loop. NG, yeah. These are all the same. Copy up to there. Where is my window? There should be a request here somewhere. And then a 201 and then a 403 at some point. Right there. All the shit is fake. Alright, so it's fine. Alright, I actually want to know if this thing is capable of doing something. Let's see. Filter out logs. Wait, where's my, okay. Filter out the logs that don't start with I guess some word. Oh yeah, we could just say verbose. Verbose. I don't care about that. Can it do it? Nah. Alright, never mind. That would be dope if I could just say, hey, do this thing on this particular thing right here. Maybe if I upgrade to the new version of macOS. Maybe then. Probably not though. Why do we have this being called more than once? That's issue number 1, and I think that's on me. And it's failing on this right here, trying to get in that messages. Huh. Yeah, this one's weird. Let me update. Yeah, it's definitely the in-app messages. Okay, yeah, I'm blocked technically. I think I can't do anything beyond this. So most of what I need to get done is done, and that's building this server, which is this thing right here. And all this does is it fake authenticates using this fake service, and I can have it fail too. In fact, maybe I'll show that. Let's have it fail. So we'll do this, do a little switcheroo. All right, so now when I do this, I get a not authorized. All right, so pretend that this is going off and doing something, but I don't care what the thing is. I just know that it needs to get done. All right, so then I should get back a thingamajig, and then when we verify that thingamajig, let me go to something better where it's easier to see. JWT. I don't know. Man, Google is fucking trash. They give me 4 results in ads. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. We'll use JWTIO for now. Alright, verify all this stuff is good. Alright, and now I'm gonna get a public key from man, I really hope that this is a public key. I'm gonna check. Oops. Yes, perfect. Okay, yeah, I'm going to give it a public key and make sure. Yep, cool. So that's good. So this part's done. This is the web server, the auth server, or the backend, the customer's backend, where they can go off and do some things. Now, I am thinking that maybe I get the subscriptions from the database itself instead of, no, never mind. Yeah, I'm gonna make some things optional. Make sure I'm looking at the right thing to make it optional. Yeah, the subscriptions. wonder if I could just give this an empty thing. Yeah, I want to have it where I don't need to do this. Now I have an option though. I could just implement Aus for real. I can integrate something. Let's see, Supabase iOS. What is this inspirational sounding ass music? What is this? You know what? Oh, this is gonna be whack. Let's do that. Oh, it's Halloween too. Happy Halloween. Got some Halloween sounding music. I suppose I could use this right here. Yo, what's up? Yeah, there were people out there. Not that many though, but it could have been that it's been raining, or maybe it wasn't late enough. No, I'm not gonna do all that. Yeah, I'm done. There's not much I'm gonna do other than I don't want to do this anymore. I don't. Wait, where is this data coming from? Yeah, what I'd rather do is pass something into here and then not have to do any of that, but it's good for a test. So we'll go ahead and close this out and make sure I commit whatever it is. Okay, I don't want to commit that. Now the question is like where, like, I think I just closed. Oh no, I didn't. Here we go. It's like, I don't even remember where this is or what this is called. Where's the reveal and find everything? This is why I need to know his keyboard shortcuts, because finding things, I feel dumb. There we go. Okay, so we'll go up a directory. Shit. I thought that drag and drop was implemented. So this should never be in here. All right, so we got 2 of these things. This is in, where's that at? So I'm gonna move this thing right here into here. We're gonna call this identity verification app. The reason why I'm not gonna move the directory is because I'm too lazy to go and update it in GitHub Desktop. So yeah, there we are. Let's make sure the server is shut down. Huh, okay. I am missing something. All right, let's open up another tool. So I need to update my what do you call it? I'm trying to figure out a way to remove wind noise from some of my clips. And in a way that sounds good, you know, in a way that's not trash. And turns out that's easier said than done. We're gonna call this 27.5. We'll call it 29 for now. I also need to start pulling off footage for some new cooking stuff at some point. Alright, let me turn down my system audio. So here's the problem that I have. For whatever reason, the DJI mic is splitting my audio, and I think it's let me test this. See if this is like 4 gigabytes or something like that, or if it's 16. Then that will answer my question. Excuse me. Wait, what the fuck? Wait. What? Is it like fucking with me? I don't understand what's going on. Oh, okay. Okay, put it over here. Yeah, see, it's only 300 and however many megabytes. If this were 4 gigabytes or something like that, that would make sense. Although this is also 354.4, and this is also 354.4. So it must be a time length. So let's I think I can open these together. Nah, or yes. Or yes, okay. 30 minutes, 45 seconds. 30 minutes, 45 seconds. All right, so for whatever reason, all right, so this is the problem. I figured it out. The root cause of the problem is that the DJI mic is splitting my audio every 30 minutes and 45 seconds. And I don't think it's exact because there's drift and I hear it and it's annoying. I can't get over it. I got so pissed off I decided to say, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to make. Let me turn on my little device. I'm not even gonna try to make it work, but I lied. I do want it to work. And I guess, oops. All right, so let's say I want a marker here. All right, can I get it to that marker? Let's see if this. See, and why isn't it showing me the audio here? There's obviously audio here. Maybe this is where the drift is happening. Maybe this is actually supposed to start here. Maybe. what? Delete. It looks like I can't. Yeah, I can only put it on the frame mark, I guess. So I'll get it close. And then we'll just move it. Oops. Now I wonder if I'll even see it when I zoom out enough. Yeah, something's off. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, shit, I'm dumb. Ah, fuck. Okay. I shouldn't look at this. This is part of the problem. Yeah, that was my bad. That was dumb. Yeah, I don't even know how this works. Like, how is that even possible? I think what I'm going to end up having to do is bring the audio from here back. Ew, that doesn't look great. Let me do voice isolation just so I can see the peaks better, see if they line up. One day it'll load. Maybe. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, so you see how this is off? So I'm gonna just make it where it isn't off. It's off as close as possible, at least, and just listen back.
I'm not sure.
Let me figure out which one is which.
I'm not sure.
All right, so we're gonna.
Where all the traffic is coming from.
All right, let's try that.
I'm not sure where all the traffic is coming from. Where all this traffic is.
All right, so it's close. The problem is that I can't use. Wait, why is that? Yeah, I don't think I can use the tick mark. Wait, why are both of them? Ah, shit. Fuck. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Whoa. Undo whatever that was. All right, I think I was getting it. I was getting close. All right, so this right here, it should probably line up with that somehow. Let's go to the most obvious point. Actually, wait, what? I don't even know if I'm looking at the right audio anymore. But obviously I am.
not sure where all this traffic is coming from.
All right, so here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna make a new synchronized clip. Oh man, that's a lot. 40K. I guess, hell, shit, inflation. You need it. That's what's up. All the way to get stuff is to ask for it. Alright, I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm not. Alright, so we're gonna take this. Is this? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. I'm just gonna raw at the Buckies. We're gonna delete this too. And this too, this trash. And this synced clip that goes away. Okay, so we are at 1024 and then 1024. Oh, I see. It looks like, no, it doesn't look like anything. So at 1024, I did something. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Here it is. Okay, never mind. So let's find 1024. Oops. It's about the same amount of time. And then we go on for another minute. We have two of them. 2012, 11, 4, 5, 2. Oh, I see. Okay, and then, so I think I'm just gonna ignore this. That's trash. It's not helpful. And then obviously this and this goes together. Yeah, it looks like I did like a minute of something for whatever reason, which is probably part of why this isn't working out. Let's create a synchronized clip. Oh, dude, perfect. That's good. Congratulations. Well, there you go. I mean, if the new Mac that they just released is amazing. I contemplated it, but I'm waiting. So I'm hopeful that they're gonna do a Pro Motion, Pro XDR, and man, I really hope they do a OLED version. That would be a sight unseen buy for me. Like if they're just like OLED Pro Motion, I'm like, okay, buy. I'm on. I don't know. We'll see. Like I'll still buy it even if it only has Pro Motion. I know it's silly, but it's like I want to get rid of this LG 5K Ultrafine, and the Mac Studio display that I have can take its place, and I can just have the two Pro XDRs. But back to you and your MacBook Pro. If you end up getting the MacBook Pro, you know, I would go with the 14-inch. It's more portable, only for that reason. And I assume that you plug it into a computer. I have weird needs or wants, or whatever you want to call it. Now, I like a larger screen in general, whenever I can get it. I'm gonna drop this here. See how it did. Yeah, somehow it's longer. Okay, but it looks like it's still in sync though, so it's okay. But for whatever reason, okay, fine, it works now. So this process is very finicky because Final Cut, it's just, yeah. Final Cut is Final Cut. Now I'm going to make this another thing. It's really unprocessed motorcycle. That's really what it is. But I'm going to mark it as ambiance for now. And then these two. I don't even know if when I do this, if the roles will be assigned to both. So we're going to find out. This will be dialogue 1. And then this should be, okay, so that worked. Maybe. And this is going to be my sync. Yeah, I would go with that. Just like, let's get the 14-inch and go with a monitor. Honestly, you can probably go just to, like, you don't even have to customize it. Like, seriously, if you're coming from something else, you don't understand. You don't even need to customize it. I would, let's look at what we got. I assume you want a laptop, you know. You just get the M4 Pro, you know. It's like, do you intend to do anything editing wise, like video? Let's just say that you want to splurge, you know. I wouldn't, you know, if you just want more space, which I guess is, you probably do. I don't know how you feel about it, but I would actually get this nano texture display. That's just me. I wouldn't do any of these other things if I had normal needs, you know. Now, I still had to spring for the 48 because it's me, you know. I just got to do that. So yeah, you're looking at a lot. 2800. If you get my more affordable spec, you know, and then you throw in, obviously you need the Apple Care, you know. It's an expensive machine. Go ahead and throw that in there. And then you probably want to get a monitor, you know, so I would recommend this one. And then if you get this, you'll probably want like a trackpad and all that kind of stuff, but you know, just assume that you'll just use a mouse and a keyboard without the trackpad, which is just weird. But let's say that you're gonna do that, man. You're about 5K. As if you get all of this. That's include. Oh no, is more than that because you also want to get it for the display. You're at like 52, but the shipping's free, and that's worth more than you think because the box is big as hell. So it's like you'll get it for free. Now, this is like the spec that I would say for normal people, but I'll show you my spec. It's fairly easy. I almost bought it too. And I was like, yeah, I'll wait. So I did this, and then I got the whatever that is. And then I was debating between 2 and 4 terabyte, and then I settled on 2 terabytes because it's just like, it's good enough. I don't run out of space on my MacBook Pro. It's only on this desktop that I run out of space. What is Apple? It's the warranty. So hopefully it does nothing. But in the event that something happens, it's covered. And the most that you'll end up spending is a deductible. And it depends on what it is. But here, let's go and look. Because I don't actually know the ins and outs. All right, so each service fee is $100 for screen damage. So that screen that's on that laptop is it's a micro LED. So it has like thousands of LEDs, and it's LCD, and it's laminated. It's, let's just say it's expensive. It's a very expensive display. So you're gonna pay $99 each time you fuck up the display if you do. The alternative is you don't get Apple Care and you maybe fuck up your screen, and then they're like, oh yeah, a new screen is gonna be $1,400, and then you're like, oh, that's what it's for. Then there's $300 for other accidental damage. What else do you get? I guess that's it. It's really easy to get. You just buy it with your thing, and it's all registered for you. You don't have to go and fill out any kind of paperwork. If anything happens, you just go to the Apple Store. They'll handle it for you. I don't think there's anything that I've ever purchased from them that doesn't have Apple Care, other than my AirPods. Like, I don't do it on that, or like keyboards. I don't even know if they sell it on that. It's only on, you know, these very high-end displays. I don't even do it on my, no, I do it on my iPad. I'm lying. I do. I was gonna say I don't even do it on my iPad, but that's a lie. Okay, we're gonna. It would be awesome if I can merge these. The only way it'll happen is if you group the audio together, which maybe I'll try that. Sure, it'll be Audi. Sure. All right, so I can still do the voice isolation thing. Now, can I rename this clip though? Oh yeah, look at that. Audio. Cool. So that makes my life slightly easier. We'll turn this down a lot. We'll also turn this down even more. Something, okay, yeah, this I'm like, something is off. Turn down my music.
Like, that's why here it's fun, because like I know they can't get over. You know, nobody's referring you.
All right, so now that that's good, I think I can turn that down.
Everyone gets over. That's how you ride in Texas. If you're coming to my state, get your ass out the passing lane. If you're not passing, get the fuck out of the left lane. You stay over to the right. The only time where it doesn't really apply is when there's traffic and when you're in the middle of the city, because we have left exits. All of our exits outside of the city are on the right.
Okay. All right. So it would be really dope if I could put blank space right there, but I can't. Also, it would be dope if like I could, whatever, fuck it. I'll just, wait, what just happened? DJI audio. Wait a minute, I'm confused now. I thought. Oh, wait a minute. Does this create? Oh no, never mind. All right, never mind. I was about to get excited. So these two are together. So reveal and finder. So these two go together. Okay. Okay, sure. Why can't I connect to my NAS? Okay, I guess I can now. Gonna delete all of this. Something is being used? Oh, okay, sure. Okay. So it's going to be these two, and this is my helmet, so we'll put them here. And they should, and they don't. I was going to say they should, like merge together, but that didn't happen. Maybe this is what oh shit. Maybe this is what messed me up last time, was that maybe I didn't get this just right. I don't know if it tries to do a merge or if it'll just put it right next to it. These colors are making it hard for me. Let me change the color. All right, yeah, we're gonna be old today. Oh, see, here's the issue. This doesn't end on a sample. Or maybe it does end on a sample. Yeah, it does. Yeah, this is gonna be, oops, shit. I keep using Final Cut shortcuts. I'm gonna get them as close as possible and then kind of line them up. You see there is a gap. Okay, so we're at the sample level now. It would be dope if I could move this without it scrolling. And maybe I can, I just don't know how to do it. Now it's really important because if when the timing's off, it doesn't properly align with the other audio. That's why I'm like going through this much effort. It's even hard to see which one is selected. I think, okay, look at that. Okay, hopefully that's good enough. Yeah. Hopefully that's good enough. And now we will normalize. How long does Apple Care last? I think 3 years, or it's 2 or 3 years. It depends on the device. If you don't buy it with your device, I think you have up to 90 days to purchase it. I have several products that are like Apple Care is expired and things are fine. All right, we gotta do this one now. Missing media files. What are you talking about? Why can't I just delete it? I did not know it's using it. Let's just save it. Alright, whatever. All right. See, there's a lot of wind noise, and I don't understand why. It's more than usual. Way more than usual. Although it was windy. All right, so let's... where is... So I already have some processing happening. I'm going to turn it all off, or most of it off. Oops. So I want to figure out where this noise is predominantly. So let's open up one of these plugins. Alright, so the noise is like right in here somewhere. But this is also where my voice is. So it kind of sucks. So this that gets rid of the rumble. And the compressor just adds. it just ramps it up. Maybe I don't want to do that.
I was mistaken. It's not 2 more exits. It's 2 more exits from here. From 2920. I forget the name of the farm, the FM road that I normally used to ride back out here, where it's got some nice elevation changes. It's really beautiful, actually. You can see zebras out there. Oh my gosh, it's windy. Holy shit. Alright. Wow. I just got tackled by a wind blast. You about to exit or is he just... Okay. Sure. Bruh, nah. Hold up. Alright, here we go. Now we talking.
Yeah, that actually makes a huge difference. Just, man, I wish I could not take it out because it does affect the sound. I'm gonna just do some of that right there. In fact, I'm gonna move it to my filter section. That's right here. So we got what is that? 38K. Right in there. And a Q factor of 3, so I can delete that right there.
Where he is.
We'll just put 3 in there. And this is at, I'm gonna, man, wait, what did I just do? I want this at like 50, 60. In there, and we'll increase this.
There's a giant load up there. I wonder if are they in the left lane? Oh, it looks like they are. Oh no, they're not. They're in the middle lane. They just takes up a couple lanes.
All right, so I'm doing this, and it's, I don't know, it's kind of silly because I
It's
just
definitely in the right lane or in the left lane.
maybe if I tighten this up. I should put on my other headphones so I can actually hear these things. I have to turn the volume up really, really loud on these headphones to hear things. Yeah, this should be fine.
I guess he's going to exit. I wasn't sure.
All right, so this is okay. So this is the before and after. In fact, I'm gonna turn off this music. So this is before everything and after. It sounds hollow, but that's because I'm focused on my voice.
Right. Passing lane. If you're not passing, get the...
All right, so we got that one sorted, and I'll go and find this. Wait, where did it go? Oh, it's on the same page. Desktop. All right, so this is the one, I think. Just plop it here for now. It must already have a, oh, fuck. Okay. I'm gonna have to sync these manually. This is my issue with this, is that it keeps putting me to the beginning, so it's hard to do it. So I'm close.
Mic sync.
Let me unmute that.
Sync, mic 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 sync.
That sounds dead on.
Mic sync, mic sync, mic sync, mic sync.
Yeah, man, perfect. First try. I'm gonna have to confirm though that this is indeed locked in. Okay. See, that's why I'm like, it's okay that this sounds hollow. That's, you know, it's fine. So before I start, you know, getting too carried away, I need to normalize this. Man, it takes so long. My gosh. I thought it was halfway done. My computer's just frozen. That's okay. Oh no, it's just Ableton. That's okay. It's Ableton struggling right now. Let me go away from there. You know, give it some privacy. And while that's getting some privacy, I need to create a duplicate of this. Not really sure. Oh, okay, fine. So yeah, we'll create a duplicate of that. And this is going to be my voice ISO. Is it gonna let me do it? All right, fine. It's not gonna let me do it. That's yeah, that's actually interesting. So if this is a copy, like I think it is, I should be able to rename this. So we're going to call this DJI Audio ISO. Nope, I can't. Okay, they share. Man, it's a reference. God damn it. So this isn't a true copy. That sucks. Okay, so what I thought I was going to do isn't going to work out. So what I'm instead going to do is throw a preset on here that I created called Voice ISO. Motovlog Voice ISO. And what I'll do is I'll just export it with it on here, and then I'll just pull it off. I just won't keep it around. Now the reason why I do this is so that I have an input signal for my sidechain that I have in my effects rack. All right, so this is dialogue. Yeah, perfect. So in segment 1, this is what I want to export from. We will first put it all the way over here. Make sure segment is selected, and we'll go into roles, audio. I only want this one, and it is all dialogue. And yeah, that's mono. This will be dropped into exports. And this is going to be the pre-processed voice ISO. All right, one day it will complete. Let's see if Ableton has finished. Okay, it has. Perfect. Let's open up this thing. All right, cool. We got a file. That is in exports pre-process. I'm going to delete this that wave analysis file, and we'll throw it right there. And I want to say that should line up perfectly. Yeah, it does. Perfect. This is much louder than I was expecting. Let's listen to that. This is a lot louder than I was thinking it was going to be. It doesn't want to. This sounds like the wrong audio. Yeah, this isn't right. This is wrong. I wonder if it doesn't know. Oh no, it's dialogue 1. This shouldn't be dialogue 1. This ambiance. Let's try that again. That's weird. So first I'm gonna find it in the browser. Actually, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna delete it. We can find it in the browser now. Process, import it. Say we'll delete that and the normalized version of it. All right, let's try that again. That was weird. I don't understand what went wrong. Is it gonna do anything? I wonder if it wants me to not be in the segment. So yeah, let's do that. Let's turn off sync and then ambiance. We're only gonna get dialogue now. Assuming that that's why it's complaining or why it didn't work the first time. All right, it's looking promising. Even if I don't do it as separate audio, it should just work now, I hope. So we're gonna do all dialogue, or we'll just do dialogue 1 and get rid of that. And overwrite, yep. And we want to delete that analysis file again. So this time I'm going to check it before I import it because it just wasted a bunch of my time thinking that it was going to work. Okay, let's listen to it. No, that sounds wrong. What the what? I don't understand.
How about? Disconcerted. I'm used to it, but
Okay, all right. Oh my gosh, I don't even understand what's going on. Oh fuck. You know what? Oh my gosh, this is the issue, and I even talked about it before, and I still did it again. This segment isn't. Oh my gosh, all the work that I've done, it's been in this like shadow segment. I have no idea how to get access to the underlying clips. Anyway, I know how to fix the issue. We'll just export this, and we'll do audio separate. It's coming in. That shouldn't be. Yeah, that shouldn't be stereo. Let's confirm that it's not marked as stereo. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So maybe I will get a acceptable result this time. It's a lot of waiting. I'm going to turn the music back on, seeing as we're going to wait. Oh, I muted it. I'm tripping. So long. All right, anyway, so while that's going, here's why I'm going through all this effort. Now, there's a reason. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, I have this effects rack that I built that does some things. I'll expand it out so it's a little easier to comprehend. I'm probably gonna switch out the stock multi compressor. So here's my effects chain for the motorcycle track, which is the thing that I already have, but this voice ISO, that's what I'm trying to export. That's going to feed into here, specifically in the side chain on this EQ and on this multi compressor, and it should also be on this compressor right here. So it should change things. Okay, this is right. Okay, we're good. I can tell by listening to it. Okay, so we'll kind of put that there. And let's mute again. I forgot, I gotta wait. All these things take a while. These are all large files though, so I'll give it that. And let's turn that off. We don't want to hear that for right now. So what I want is for this to trigger a tone change here, as well as a volume change. So it's both a tone and an amplitude change, volume. And that should help my voice sit in the pocket. Basically, I'm creating a pocket for my voice. So it should sound louder, even though technically it's not.
I'm used to it, but I wish it didn't do that.
And let me come into here so we can kind of see the side chain as it's working.
I'm heading out to Buc-ee's.
See it?
Meeting up with one of my buddies.
So I gotta turn the threshold
Trying
down.
to get breakfast there. And the bike is going to get fed too. So I fed it yesterday after the ride, but by the time I make it to Buc-ee's, I'll be hungry again. I'll be thirsty.
Now what I wish I could do is change the timing on here.
Hoping that this clears up in a bit. I see somebody up there, like just weaving in and out. Some car, they're driving recklessly, so I'm chilling out until I have a safe space to pass.
Okay, so that's one of them happening, and I think I can let you hear what it sounds like. Well, first of all, this isn't stereo. I don't know why. Oh wait, no, this is stereo. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Yeah, we're good. I thought there was a way for me to like let you hear what it sounds like pre and yeah, here it is. So we gotta find the place where I'm talking.
Pieces of. Want to make sure I'm in front of that guy. Got one of those pieces of trash.
I don't think it's. How do I turn it off? Where's the off? There you go.
Surprised there's so much traffic out today, especially going this direction. Like, where are people going? Uh-oh.
Man, I really should have on my other headphones. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the other ones. All right, so it sounds like I'm anyway.
Surprised there's so much traffic out today, especially going this direction. Like, where are people going? Uh-oh. What is this dude doing? Just weaving? I hate this part of the freeway because like my this bike as well as my cars back when I used to have my cars, they all would railroad or trail like tram lining or whatever. You can feel it right now. It's like going. It's like a oscillation going left to right. It's kind of disconcerting. I'm used to it, but I wish it didn't do that. It's not really the fault of the bike, just the roads. For whatever reason, they made the grooves longitudinal, so it makes it it promotes tram riding or tram, whatever you call it. I don't know what the phenomenon is called, where your tire follows the grooves in the road. Ideally, these would be like crosswise. That'll prevent that.
All right, so right now all you're hearing is this voice ISO. Now the voice ISO won't actually be exported, so it normally just send it out, so you shouldn't hear it. Only thing that you should hear is this now, but it's not going to be as loud, but that's okay.
Like the tram lining or whatever, you can feel it right now. It's like going. It's like a oscillation going left to right. It's kind of disconcerting. I'm used to it, but I wish it didn't do that. It's not really the fault of the bike.
Okay, so we're good now. So I'm going to select these two tracks. Oops. And we're gonna export them. Select the tracks only, and we'll export that into processed audio. And I'm gonna call it something after the segment 1. So it's gonna be called segment 1 remix. I'll just call it segment 1. All right, so that's gonna take a minute to export those tracks. Once they are complete, what I'll do is I'll edit it all. What I'll probably do is delete this and then do all of the work in here, which is where I thought I was doing it. Man. Yeah, anyway. So I'll do all the work here and kind of redo it, and then I'll copy over those files. So alrighty, let me just go ahead and get the process started. So these both get dialogue 1, and yeah, that's it. Actually, no, these are going to get deleted. Yeah, this is going to get deleted. So let me go ahead and just delete it now. There's no need to do anything with this now. So we'll import those two pieces. Those two audio tracks. Do that, turn this off. And I also want to confirm that I have the correct LUT loaded. Yeah. Yo, what's up, RFK Gaming? How you doing tonight, this evening? Hopefully it's better than me. I'm waiting. I'm doing a lot of waiting on my computer to do things. I wonder if Apple, now that they've released this Apple M4 crap, if they have made updates to slow down my computer, because it feels slow now. It doesn't feel as fast and snappy as it used to. Granted, I do a lot more than I used to now, but yeah, I don't know. I need some Apple M4 Ultra in my life. All right, so while this is going, I can't really do anything. Now I think about it. I don't want to delete this, but I do want to delete this thing and this. So that way, if anything happens, I can just kind of copy it and bring it back over. So you could be better. You know, you ate some food, some bad shit. I mean, I'm in the same boat. I ordered takeout delivery. In fact, I'm about to order it again. Oh man. I'm supposed to eat in or cook my food during the week, but the chicken that I pulled out was still mildly frozen. So it's probably good now, but it's too late to cook. And you just reminded me that I should probably eat. Did I see the new Mini in the studio? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I've seen it. It's amazing. It's also impressive that you can spend upwards of $4,500 on a Mac Mini now. Now that's supposed to be Apple's cheapest computer. And it is. $599 is honestly, I think it's probably the most valuable or the most, I don't know, like the most, it has the most value out of any like machine that you can get, I think. Do I want ramen? Maybe. Spicy chicken ramen. Nah. Ramen's gotten expensive these days. It used to only be like $15, and that's still kind of a lot, but like it used to be like $15 a bowl. Now it's like $23, $24 a bowl. I'm like, the hell? For some soup with noodles in it? Nah. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't get hungry until you said something. My stomach is growling now. Like I'm physically hungry. Normally I can wait. Do I have food? No, I don't. All right, let's see where I'm at on this export. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. It'll be worth it though, I hope. So the input, that voice ISO, I don't actually export that. I'm only exporting 2 tracks. The helmet, I run it through some pre-processing. It's gonna have some more processing done in Final Cut Pro. And then Motorcycle is also going to have some minor things applied to it once it's combined with the helmet, and it should sound pretty decent overall. So the goal is to get a clip that I can then start to cut up. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I'm getting halal food again. Unfortunately, I don't have any rewards today, which kind of sucks. All right, food will be here. And then 48% however long I've waited, I have to wait the same amount of time to get the second half of this render. I don't know why it's so slow. Let's go and look at some Apple stuff. Let's see if Apple can convince me that I need to get a new laptop. I did, honestly, I was gonna order one, but then I saw the wait and it said it wasn't gonna arrive until November 16th. I think that's the 12th, or maybe it was November 12th. I'm sorry, it was a Tuesday. Let's look at the calendar. Wait, how does this work? Sorry, I have all this other stuff on here. Okay, so yeah, it was November 12th. All right. I considered the Mac Mini for maybe like 5 minutes too. Hell no, I don't like laptops at all. Like the only reason why I bought laptops for the period of time that I was buying laptops is because Apple stopped making desktops. My last desktop was the Apple Mac Pro, the cheese grater one that they talk about a lot. That they stopped updating in 2010 or something like that. I had one of those, and they stopped updating it. They went to the trash can Mac Pro, and I'm just like, no, that did not suit my needs. So I didn't get it. But then I was thinking that, within 5 years they would, reverse course. Actually, I thought it would be shorter than that. I thought it would be like within a year or two they would reverse course. They didn't. They didn't reverse course until very recently when they came out with the $57,000 Mac Pro with the Intel thing. I didn't get that. Instead, I was like, well, I'll wait, because I heard of rumors of Apple Silicon, so I was like, I'll just wait. And I waited, and they didn't release anything. I waited more. Then they released this Mac Studio, so I'm back to desktops. But during that period of time where I didn't have a Mac Studio, which is before it came out, and I guess 2012 or 2013, I guess, from that time period, I was using laptops and iMacs. I went through like 2 iMacs, one the iMac Pro, it wasn't that Pro. I went through a bunch of laptops. I used to update my laptop like every year to 18 months. This laptop, this M1 Max that I have, it's the first time I've had an Apple laptop where I haven't felt the need to upgrade the following year, or the year after, or this year. Yeah, the Mini is cool, but like, you didn't really say what kind of stuff you're doing. I'm thinking you just want like an all-in-one, like you can do everything with it. The MacBook Pro is that computer. You don't need a monitor if you don't want to buy one. You can use a little 14-inch. You don't have to buy a keyboard or trackpad or a mouse. It's built in, and you can plug in those things if you want, just like you can plug in a monitor if you want. And if you if you're just trying to get into the ecosystem or whatever, then yeah, $599 is not bad. And if you already have a monitor and all that kind of shit, then yeah, I can see it. If you want to have more than one computer, which some people are into that. It used to be me. I used to have a lot of computers. I guess I still technically do, but I'm trying to like not use as many. Like, it's kind of challenging to use more than one computer these days, because all these accounts that you have to have, and I expect my experience across all my machines to be the same, and I have so much custom shit that it's hard to keep them in sync, because I don't think there is a easy way or even a good way of keeping like 2 Macs configured the same. Although that's probably for the best, because sometimes I do weird shit and then I fuck up my computer, and I would have to deal with it if it were synced. So I guess there's that. Oh, did it finish? Holy shit, yes. It's done. And there's an update. Oh, no, it's not done. No. Okay, I guess it just won't let me click it. I wouldn't even consider the iMac. You're talking about the new iMac? And I'm not saying you shouldn't. I'm just saying I wouldn't. First of all, it's too small. It's 24 inches. Which, you know, the 4.4K, 4.5K, that's not enough Ks. I need at least 5. Minimum 5. Ideally 6. Actually, no, ideal isn't 6. No, I'm going to take, no, ideal is 6. I don't think I need 8K. Now, if Apple decides to make a 34 inch or maybe a 36 inch, that would be better. If they make a 36 inch display, I would hope that it's 8K. And I would also hope that it doesn't cost 8K. I would still buy it though. I'm not even gonna lie. If it were OLED, if it had that tandem OLED from the iPad, I would still buy it. All right, how we doing? All right, 94%. Oh man. One day I want to figure out how much energy it costs me to do all of this processing that I'm doing, like to do this. Not the me figuring out shit and noodling, but the actual real work. Oops. It's not really doing much. It's only using like 2 CPUs, kinda. I wonder if, I don't know what I wonder. Hurry up. Shit, hurry up. I don't even need it to be dithered. Whatever. Let's get this update. Maybe it'll fix something. All right, okay, all right. I get auto tune, sure. Okay, I get a drum sampler, okay. I get a limiter that probably doesn't suck anymore, hopefully. They've improved the saturator, okay. What else have they done? I can filter and select MIDI notes. There's a chop MIDI note, okay. We get some more LFO tools, glissando. You know, the swoop sound. Scale awareness for audio clips. That's dope. Oh, okay. That's interesting. All right, I get an undo history thing. I get a full height browser. Oh, thank God. Having it be half the height has always pissed me off. How do I do that? Is available in the drop down next to show height. Okay. Auto tall, yeah, sure. All right, cool. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. Let's bring some things into here. So let's go into Finder. This thing right here. Go into processed. We'll just do some of that action right there. Make sure I'm in the right place. All right, and let's go to my process thing right here. Oh, wait, whoa. Okay. Oh, okay, I see what's going on. These are trash. Okay, so we'll throw the hell. Oh, before I do that, we'll name this helmet, and then we'll name it or assign it motorcycle like that. So that way it'll work properly. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, we're good. Okay, cool. Now I can start doing some things. Is it Motovlog? Yeah, Motovlog. So I'm gonna throw Motovlog helmet preset on the helmet. and that's gonna, clean up that a little bit. Then I'm gonna throw some things on the motorcycle audio, which should, tighten that up a little bit more. And it also applies some volume change, so it's a bit of a pre-mix as well. Okay, all right. Let's see how we're doing now. We turned up my system audio. Never mind. All right, so I'm gonna turn it up slightly. Why is it so slow? Whatever. I'm gonna just deal with it. So, delete that. Then we'll throw that back on. It seems weird, and it is, but I don't really. It's Final Cut. Okay. So we're almost there. It's starting to freeze up on me. Forgot that this needs to be. Oh, it is. It's stereo. Okay. And this should be mono, but all right, it gets exported as. See, that's one thing I haven't figured out is why is it exporting my stuff as stereo when it's mono?
I bet it, yeah.
Anyway, let's throw my other preset. It's lagging really bad. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. What's going on? Final Cut's doing something. Okay. God dang, it's so many. Man, this team is on it, bro. Like, where did it end? I just saw it. Man, this team is on it. Wow. This is a release. All of this is a release. God. Wow. They are on it. Okay, so let's hear how this sounds. Should sound dope. Oh my god, yeah, that shit sounds dope. That sounds dope. Add some more bass though. Just a little bit. Just a tip. Okay. That's sounding quite nice. So let's make it look quite nice as well to match. We'll do a adjustment layer. All right, and then we'll put my little preset there. All right, let's see here. I would mainly work and learn the code and automate this crappy job. I'm not sure I would need to too much. Yeah, I mean, get the 14 inch, bro. Like, it's more versatile. You could take it anywhere. You know, if you don't want to work at home, and it's honestly, it's just as powerful. It's probably more powerful. Well, especially if you get it in pro form, which I think that's the one I recommended, the M4 Pro. You know, whatever the base config of that is. I honestly, I would also upgrade the RAM. You know, even though you may not feel it. If my experience is anything, I've had my laptop since whenever the M1s came out, and I don't feel the need to upgrade. And it feels like it's been at least 3 years. I might be able to stretch this to 5 years, really. So, you know, maybe I'll upgrade when they update the MacBook Pro to have an OLED display. Get rid of that ugly, disgusting notch. I hate that notch. You don't understand. I hate it for real, with a passion. Okay, all right. Let's take a look to see how we're looking now. We're sounding okay. I'm gonna turn it down just because I know it's loud. Oh well, let's not sit in traffic. Actually, yeah, let's sit in traffic. I want to hear what that rumble sounds like. Oops, shit, it didn't work. Oh, we'll start here, I guess. I think that sounds phenomenal. I'm just saying. I don't have to say it. You know, you don't have to, you know, give a thumbs up or a like to be like, oh yeah, that shit sounds dope. But seriously though, if you've heard better, let me know. Like, I'm looking for references, right? Like, what makes this hard is that I don't really have any good motorcycle audio to compare it to, and movies aren't a good reference because movies they use Foley. This is all actual audio. This isn't faked. I'm actually looking for periods where I may have talked. I remember talking shit behind this car.
Here, my gosh. They're not from around here. My gosh. But they're from Louisiana, looks like. This is definitely the law in Louisiana.
Okay, so then we're gonna go back into that segment clip thing here, and I'm gonna update. Oh, my food's gonna be here soon. I'm gonna update the EQ a lot. Oh my gosh, come on, just it's so slow. Okay. All right, we'll move this to the 175 hertz range. Somewhere in there. And oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I guess I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, there we go. Oh, nope. I guess it only tries to update things when I try to move the mouse. Because it was literally not doing anything. I might have to just restart Final Cut. That's where I think I'm getting to right now. So I'm moving this to where a lot of my voice is. So I'm gonna just do that. And I want this to be a lot more prevalent, so we'll do that right there. I'm going back to that section because I can't use my mouse. Oh wait, no, yeah, maybe I can. It's just challenging to use my mouse. Okay, here we go. So I think this is around the same time. So that's 1827. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1827. Whoa, I'm confused now. Oh, okay. I forgot. I have a cut. I forgot. Okay, here we go.
They'll pull you over real fast in a hurry over there.
There is way too much bass in this. I think this is dialogue here. Alright, let's remove this bump here. Oh my gosh, it's so slow. What the hell? Yeah, Final Cut is up to something. All right, let me get out of here before I upset myself. Make sure that this is all the same. What I just did. It's not. Oh my gosh. This is the problem. This is the problem right here. Oh my gosh. The fact that this is a different thing is insane to me. Alright, there should be a way to paste only the edits. Paste effects. Oh. And then it doesn't even do a good job of that. Like, come on. Final Cut is silly, you know? It's just stupid. No, obviously that's what someone wants is when they're doing this is they want what they come on now. Like seriously, freezing again. All right, it's just not gonna let me close it. That's okay. There we are. All right, and let's hope that this is it's probably not. All right, I give up. I give up. I'm trying. I can't do it. Oh my gosh. I think I gotta quit Final Cut and just reopen it. I think that's what's gonna. Yeah, 5 years for 5K. I mean, yeah, it's not bad. Especially now, like, what's $1,000 today? Really? It used to be something. Okay. I did it in the wrong one too. Okay, so we'll copy it over to the right one. And I forgot that it's gonna override it or it won't override it. It'll just literally put it on top because that makes sense. Okay. So hopefully this sounds a little bit.
Oh, they're not from around here. My gosh. But they're from Louisiana, looks like. This is definitely the law in Louisiana. They'll pull you over real fast in a hurry over there.
Okay, yeah, that sounds decent. Get rid of that. Then we should have some fun in the country somewhere.
Changes. It's really beautiful, actually.
All right, so last change is to reduce the volume of this by just a little bit. -6.
if y'all can see those flags up there, those big ass flags waving to the right. That's the direction the wind's blowing in. It's kind of hard to fight. Also, notice how everyone gets.
All right, I'm gonna raise that EQ up just a little bit more. I need to remember to. Oh, come on now, please. I need to remember to do this in Ableton. And what I'm gonna do is export this for me so that I can do a check on my speakers. So then we'll go ahead and get that started. Actually, I'm gonna do Apple device because I'm gonna play it on my Apple TV. Settings. Yep. Segment 1. Okay, so yeah, this is going to take forever to export. So I'm going to go because my food is here and I'm hungry. So if you enjoyed any of that, I would appreciate a thumbs up. That does help. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, you can subscribe. You can follow me on all the other places that I do stuff. I have a link tree. You can go and click on that and you can go see the other places there that I'm on the internet at. And there's a Discord that you could go and join at some point if you want. But yeah, I'm out. Y'all have a good rest of the day or night. Yeah, have a good night. Peace.